I'm gonna be honest with you. It was a nice 20 minutes of a stream.
He's gone.
I'm done. I can only show you guys how I trade, and you guys can learn from that and benefit from it. The buyers are fighting it. I'm gonna tell you guys that much. Buyers are fighting it. Now that the bears are gonna step in hard, 5 minutes of the market being open, seeing the bear pressure. Let's see if the bears could fully take it down. They might not be able to. Anyone that just joined in, we're selling US 30. We sold it off from the top here at the 100 retracement level after it grabbed the liquidity. Right now, we're still waiting on this move to play out completely. We're still waiting for the 100 points. It looks like we might get the push now in a little bit. Still waiting patiently. I'm still sensing these shorts like they need to play out. I might just put everything at break even, but 100 points, guys, 100 points. When she's pushing up like this, dude, that means that the buyer stepped in again. Missed about like 4 points. It's kind of annoying, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, same way it went down is the same way it came back up. Dog, that's crazy, dog. By like 4 points, it didn't tap TP. Let her do her thing, bro. I think she wanted to take out some break evens first. I'll watch it. Just do like a full-fledged meltdown. I'm gonna let everything hit the TP, dog. I have TP now below this wick. I'm okay with it. I'm glad you guys took these sells. I will post right now all the profits for you guys. I promise you guys will get. All right. Like jokes aside, Omari did the boot camp with me and stuff like that. And look at how Omari's trading right now. So I can vouch for that. You got people that just joined. We have a premium dumpling that just joined with us, and he took the sells with us, and he already made his little profits for today. Omari cashing out at 1.2%.
What you paid for that boot camp, you made about 10 times already.
Bro, and what was that I had charged? Like 150?
Yeah, it was like 150, I think.
For a whole week, and it was just every day. Well, you guys, if you guys are in here.
Yeah, I already made that deposit 900, put that to 3K. That 150 paid for itself.
Literally, because I don't even know if we traded throughout the week, but yeah. If you guys are any paid member, you guys can go to recordings. You guys can go to the recordings tab here, and I have it separated by bootcamp videos and live videos, right? Live recordings, which live would be like all the sessions we do every day. I try to upload them right away. But if you go here, you can go to the 5 days: risk management, fundamentals, psychology, discipline, consistency, and technicals. We go through everything together. Okay? If you guys do the live one, all the sessions are there.
Yeah.
I'll post today's session right now. All right. I'm good. All right, guys. Your boy is out of here.